Right here, we're not looking to tax the hell out the body, but we looking to activate the back as much as we can. Going higher placement, higher hand placement here. It's gonna be a quick 10, nothing too crazy. So do me a favor and make sure you drop in just like this. Still keep everything nice and tight. Pull back through the elbow, squeeze the back as much as you can. Like I said, we just looking to fatigue the body for the most part with this. Get some blood flowing in that back. So nice and slow with the reps for the most part. You can have a little bit of speed, but just not too fast for the most part. And remember, pull through the elbow, squeeze the back as much as you can. Once you get in here, stretch out the back as much as you can. Everything should still be tight. Core should be tight, lower back should be tight as well. Quick in and out with these. Funny thing with the row machine like this, I always like using a belt for the most part. I ain't gonna lie to y'all on that. Good, boom. Good, stretch, squeeze. All control, squeeze, all control. Good, squeeze, good. Everything nice and activated. Squeeze, good. Squeeze, good. Wrong hand placement. We using top, wrong hand placement. Yeah, that's what we want right there. A little bit different, ain't it? Yeah, a little bit different. That's my favorite hand placement on this. Squeeze, pull through the elbows. You can still count your other reps. I'm cool with that.
Huh?
You can count your other reps. You ain't gotta restart. Rube used to saying, oh, we restart. You did 15 reps, those don't count. It is what it is. Remember, if you're using in proper form or you're doing the exercise wrong, those reps definitely don't count. That's not the exercise we intended. Nice and easy. I like this just to take the strain off the lower back. A night and day difference. But remember, it's multiple hand placements on here. We're using top. We're using top. And one thing I need you to do is, if your arms are too high, bring the seat up. Do me that favor. Do me that favor. Ooh. I don't know what happened to these, but these drinks gone now. So here.
I feel like we haven't had a full back workout in a minute.
Ain't not gonna be full for the most part right now. Everything gonna be partial work. Still trying to get everything together for the most part. But I only like doing a full area when your conditioning is on point. I don't like going into a full area if the conditioning is not up to par, because you will fatigue in that area. Like, think about it. When we do chest, a full of that one area for me was going to hit incline. We going to hit flat. We going to hit decline. You know what I'm saying? So the conditioning is very important. Another reason why I have you heavily focused on cardio before we make that transition into heavy weightlifting. Let's get it. Control, control, control. Nice squeeze, control. There we go. All about control. Stretch out the back. There we go. Good squeeze. Stretch out the back. Good squeeze. There we go. All about control right now. Butter. All about control. You got this. Nice. Like I said, we're not going heavy with the weight. It's only 245. Nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy. Good. All the way. Good. Nice. Good. Perfect. My two favorite exercises for back in general: weighted pull-ups for sure, and rows in general. No matter pretty much what machine you use. I would say the most challenging definitely would be T-bar rows. You get better back development just from the incline. That's one. You can easily stress the back a lot more. But if I'm gonna load a lot of weight, I prefer this machine in general. When it comes down to chest, my two favorites, any type of press, incline for the most part, and dips. Dips will definitely be my favorite. I think he behind you want to use that, Brody. So now, it's gonna be the last set here. 10, nice and easy. Last one, what you waiting on? What you waiting on? Say the best for last. Let's get it. Only 10. Come on, come on. Let's get it, come on. You stalling. Let's get it, I know. Come on. Let's get it, get your money. There you go. Squeeze, stretch out. Good, squeeze that back as hard as you can. Come on. Ain't no need to stall, come on. Go mode. Good, squeeze the back as hard as you can. Good. Nice clean 10. Good, keep going. Nice. Good, come on. Funny thing is, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I was definitely about to rock the shorts, but when I found out we wasn't squatting, I said, who cares? I ain't even gonna fake, but this gonna be the last exercise right here. We're gonna do incline press. It's actually one of my favorite press. If you don't know, if you got shoulder issues, stick with this. You'll be able to press nice and fine without any type of shoulder complaints. Trust me, I've been doing it for years. A lot of people don't know I got a minor tear in my rotator cuff from a car accident a few years ago. Seatbelt got me the wrong way, you know what I'm saying? But overall, this is something I've been able to use and still go heavy with my press without having any shoulder aggravation. Another reason why y'all don't really see me do a lot of barbell activity. But like I said, we still gonna get it in, you feel me? Nice and easy. Another combination I love is back and chest. Once you do a back exercise and do a chest, you get a little bit more out of your chest. Once you do that back exercise again after that chest, you get a little bit more out of your back exercise. Let's get it, nice and clean. Good, easy.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Nice. I'm gonna do disclaimer though. The back exercise we just did, I do need you to understand that you need to make sure the back is tight the entire time, because your spine, your neck, and your shoulders are vulnerable the more you draw in like this. When you do it, I want you to still keep nice and tight, just a little, and then pull. But I'm gonna be real with y'all, that's actually only for advanced people. It's not really for beginners. So if you're a beginner, just do the regular rows until you get everything together. You get good form and you get good form and good technique together as well, and then go up in general. Another reason why, as you can see, I've been slow stepping you on certain things as time goes on too. Because in order to do some of the buck wild stuff, you really have to be at a certain level of understanding the form, the technique, and the vulnerability of introducing yourself to this particular move, you know what I mean? So let's get it. I just want to fatigue on this one. Shit, I was trying to go for 8, but I'm just trying to fatigue. But remember too, this is why I tell you, you can see with me and Rude, if we gotta strip the weight, strip the weight. Do what you can handle. It's you versus you at the end of the day. Sometimes biting off too much that you can chew can actually slow you down in your process of growth, because you're thinking you're somewhere where you're not. Slow and steady wins the race. That way you don't have no hiccups or any bumps along the road. Let's get it. Second to last set, let's get it. Push through, abs nice and tight the whole way. You got this. Good, 1, good, 2, 3, good. Open up that chest, 4. There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, good, butter. Come on. 10, that's great form right there the whole way. Great form. Great form. For me to renew too. That's the funny thing.
Oh, that's right. It's time for me to renew too.
Look, he looking at me like, so what you about to do? He's like, what you about to do? I think I'm gonna still keep it going. I told you that.
Yeah.
It's easier.
It's the convenience.
It's like the in-between, it's everywhere, the liquor store approach. And then two, I don't 100% know where I'm moving right now. So that's kind of a drawback. But I still see myself coming here. I'm gonna be real with you, because it's like, to be real with you, not every LA Fitness is built the same. Because some LA Fitness, they just don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But in certain ones, they be on your ass about nothing. And this gym has only, in my opinion, kind of falling down here a little bit. It's just because the Greenbelt location closed. So, you know, a lot more people are coming here. That's why it's a lot more packed, if you ever noticed, within our transition of us being here. Greenbelt, I ain't realized it's really right down the street. So you seen a big drop off, but it's neither here nor there. We about to finish off this right here. I'm gonna do drop set. It's gonna be the last set right here. Try to give as many reps as you can. Remember, when you train in an area and you want development, focus more on failure than anything. It's not always about heavyweight or lightweight, just focus on failure. Failure is the key to get the growth that you want, mainly with the proper nutrition and proper recovery. I hate when I drop in a rep. That's how you know it's getting tough. But definitely been liking the growth I've been getting this small amount of time. Train kidding. Man, it's like a slap in the face when you can't do what you intended to do. Mainly when you lowered the weight. But those are the beautiful things about burnouts, you know what I'm saying? Supposed to get burnt out. Yeah, this shit tough. Thought I was gonna get more than 10, but it is what it is. I am actually a little bit more excited about what I was able to do on this in comparison to the bench. The bench, we got work to do. That's all I'm gonna say. With that bench, we got work to do. Because at 225, nowhere close to satisfied. I wanna hit 315, but me hitting 315, I really wanna take my time. I wanna make sure my shoulders can handle that type of weight. That's what some of y'all fail to realize. Like I said, the muscle gets stronger, but ligaments and tendons take a little bit longer to build the strength to be able to handle the weight that you want. The muscle may be able to handle it, but can the ligaments and tendons handle it? That's where you see a lot of people lose grip, shit like that. It ain't because the muscle can't handle it. Ligaments and tendons burnt out. Let's get it. His burnout gonna be 20 reps. Nice, clean 20 reps. You got it. You got it. Easy. Easy. Let's get it. Good. 1, 2, 3. Dead. 4. Dead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1. Fight. 2. Good. Load that chest. 3. Good. 4. Good. Come on. 5. 5 more. 6. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah.
All right, hold on. Let me get that last 4.
You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good. 1. Come on. 2. Come on. 3. Come on. 4. Good work. Nice.